You could be driving down the road and God forbid something happens to your engine or your transmission. Now you got to figure out how to tow the car, where to tow it to, how much it's going to cost. Whereas you have a company like CarShield back you and you make a phone call and everything's taken care of.
I'm here today with real-life mechanics who are here to set the record straight on why auto repairs have gotten so expensive and why CarShield is America's most trusted auto protection company. I think what everyone wants to know is why repairs have gotten so expensive.
The new cars have so many computers. When I started in this business 40 years ago, it was very simple. So that's one of the biggest reasons why everything is just skyrocketing.
So can you walk us through a little bit on like a car breakdown? What happens on the customer side and what you see?
Every day at our shop, there's people that just come in bawling their eyes out because their car's warranty just ran out and they got all these new expenses now that they have to pay for. We see it happen all the time.
We just had one recently come in at 30-some-odd thousand miles, towed the car back to the dealership thinking it's under warranty.
They said she just passed her mile mark and there's no more warranty. Now she's got like $7,000.
Good luck to you.
Yeah, pretty much good luck to you.
And how much was that repair?
About a $7,000 repair.
$7,000.
Yeah. She didn't have an extended warranty, so she pretty much had to pay out of pocket.
Out of luck.
Some of the average costs on repairs, for instance, on a transmission, would range anywhere from $3,000 to $7,000. Engines can go anywhere from $5,000 to $14,000, $15,000.
If you can get CarShield, do it. Don't even think twice. Give them a call, see what you could do to get on that program because it's going to give you peace of mind.
Get some sort of coverage.
No other company protects drivers like CarShield. All you need to do is call CarShield now before your car breaks down.
If your car's out of warranty, CarShield can save you thousands. Just call before a breakdown happens. Lock in your rate with unlimited miles and get your free quote now. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.